Hi, my name is Akshat and you're watching Something's Brewing. Now that you know how to pull some espressos and dial in coffee, today in this video I'm going to show you what are the types of drinks that you can make using this machine. I've pulled some shots here, I'll pull one more and then we'll get started. My shot is ready and I'll steam some milk now using this machine. And then we'll get to different types of drinks that we'll be making today. My steam wand is ready to steam. I'll purge out some water first. My silky cafe-like textured milk is ready. I will quickly wipe and purge the steam wand to get rid of any milk that is still sitting inside. I like to transfer pitches and I do that. And we'll make a latte. Don't judge my latte art skills, they're not that good. Now, as I've pulled some shots, I'm going to show you all the other drinks that we'll be making today. So let's start with the most basic one, an Americano. In this machine, you have the option to purge out hot water and I'll be doing that. And my Americano is ready. Add some ice to it and cold water, it would be an iced Americano. Next, we'll try making an iced latte. Let's take some ice cubes. Next step would be to add some milk and a double shot. Next, we'll make an espresso tonic. This drink is buzzing and it's summertime, it's a very refreshing drink. I'll take some tonic water and espresso. And finally, I'll make a Vietnamese style coffee. Although we're not using a fin, but this is going to give you a similar taste profile. Add in some condensed milk. I'm eyeballing, but it's approximately around 30 to 40 grams. Some ice cube. We'll also add some milk and a shot of espresso. Look how beautiful it looks. I'll just give it a mix. While these were just some examples, there are endless possibilities that you can pair things with. This machine gives you the ability to make a lot of drinks that you drink at cafes and you can make them at home with this. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn how to maintain this machine and how to clean this machine, we have a dedicated video for that too on our channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.